Ikea offers help with names, June 29th, 2022. Furniture company Ikea is offering to help parents find baby names. Choosing a new child's name can be challenging, and many parents consider several names before finally settling on the name their child is likely to keep for life. With several countries experiencing pandemic-related baby booms, a lot of parents are going through this process. Enter IKEA's Norway branch, which has published a list of potential names online. The list is an alphabetically arranged collection of the names of IKEA furniture. IKEA, a giant furniture and home decorating company from Sweden, often names their furniture after Swedish towns and geographical features, as well as uses names that are traditionally given to people. The list includes the names of furniture models from as far back as the 1950s, like Balder, up to 2022's Eric. Some of the names, for example Vanessa and Billy, are common names among English speakers. Others, such as Poang, are known better as furniture models among IKEA fans. Whether many people will consider naming their child after a piece of furniture is unclear. For people outside Scandinavia, the exact pronunciation of IKEA products is not always obvious, and pronunciation is something parents consider when naming children. One thing is clear, IKEA's offer has brought them some free publicity.